Hi everybody, this is Ayman Khushoy again. We will now describe the simplest way to develop an application like our calculator application using the flowchart. The logic idea for the application is click button and check what we are clicking and then taking an action. We start with this yellow label with 0 inside it, and if we check to calculate to click number, if we click number, yes, we show the number in the screen. If no, then if we clicked plus or minus or any mathematic sign, if yes, we will make the calculation. If no, we will add second value to the screen of the first value. This is the view of the calculator application. If we click cancel, see button cancelled, we show number 0 if yes, if no, first value of equal screen. We get the variable first value equal to screen. If we click equal button, then we get the result. Second value equal screen first value operator second value. That's all. Thank you.